What's up, everybody? It's your boy Larry with Sony, here to walk you through how easy it is to auto-program channels on your Sony Bravia television. Now, of course, you would have had the opportunity to complete this process during your initial setup, but just in case you're anything like me and have a tendency to press the skip button too many times, I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to go back into the menu and auto-program your channels. The first thing you want to do is access the home menu by pressing the home button on your remote. Once you get to that screen, scroll all the way to the top and then over to the right where you'll find the settings icon. Select that. Now you'll get a side navigation bar that pops up and you'll see watching TV is indicated. Select that. Once you get there, you'll see at the very top it says channels. Select that. Once the next screen comes up, you want to select where it says cable and antenna. Antenna signal type is already selected. You want to scroll to auto program. Press this button. It'll ask you if you want to run auto program, and you want to simply press the yes button to begin. Now, if you notice the bottom of the screen, it indicates that this process may take 30+ minutes, but that's okay. Once it's all done, you'll get a screen that says scan complete. Just select OK. Then after that, exit all the way back to the home screen, and you want to look for the icon that says TV. Once you see that, go ahead and select that. That'll allow you to access all of the channels that you just auto-programmed from the process we just went through. And that's how easy it is to auto-program your channels on your Sony television. Now, if you have any other questions, visit us at Sony.com. And until next time, it's your boy Larry with Sony, and I'll catch you later.